So we're doing number 17. Hey, we might as well do 17 and 18, right? We can kill this out real quick. All right. So what do all the angles inside a triangle add up to be?
80.
What do all the angles inside a triangle add up to be? Perfect. We also went over that in Algebra 1 today, right? Okay.
I don't even know. You were too
I know,
fast.
I went too fast. I gotta slow down a little bit in there, right?
He was like, woo.
Okay. But they all add up to be 180. Now, we also need to know that a line makes 180 degrees. Does that make sense? So if a line makes 180 degrees, this is 180. Does that make sense? Then how much is just this? This whole piece is 180, and how much is the inside?
Wouldn't that be 60?
Not quite.
Or would it be 30?
A little more than 30.
So 50.
Remember, the outside's 100. So how much is the inside? Did you say it?
50,
No.
40,
No.
35.
No. Alright, let me ask you one more time. Okay. Erase the brain. Everything I just said. Okay. Let's say it one more time. This is 180. Okay? But this is 100. Okay? Right? So this is 100. The whole thing's 180.
So it's 80.
So how much is, yes. So this is 80. Does that make sense? Right? Pretty straightforward, yeah? Alright? Now, all three triangles, or all three angles add up to be 180. That means 80 plus 80 plus x equals 180. Yeah? So let's collect like terms. What is that called when we collect like terms? So this is x plus 160 equals 180. What is that called when we collect those like terms? What do we call that? What do we call that when we're doing PEMDAS? When we do just the addition subtraction part?
Simplify.
That's right. Simplify. So right here, we are simplifying. Okay? And then we are going to solve, right? So subtract 160, subtract 160. What do I get?
120.
X equals, close, 120, 20.
Oh.
Right? You know.
But there's no 20 on there.
There's no 20 on there. And this is where I play with you a little bit. I say, are you confident in yourself and in your answer? Because if you are, then put it there. E 20. Okay? I want you to be confident. Sometimes I'm not going to have the right answer. Sometimes I'm going to have two right answers. Okay? So you have to know when two answers are there, when one answer is there, when no answer is there. I got to put my own answer there. That's it. Okay? And then on 18, we're going to do the same thing. The thing about this is, these two, they're telling me how big that is. Those are 40. This one, they're telling me how big this is. This is 30. How much do all the angles in a triangle add up to be? 180. That means that 30 plus 40 plus 5x plus 10 equals how much? 180. Alright? Now, I collect like terms. This, and this are all like. That's 70 plus 10, that's 80, that's 5x plus 80 equals 180. Yeah? And then that's minus 80. So I get 5x equals 100. Okay? I'm going to put that over here. 5x equals 100. Then what do? Divide by 2? Or divide by 5. X equals 20. Okay? Now, don't forget, you have to tell me, what is this? Definition of triangle. Right? The angles of a triangle. Okay? Definition of the angles of a triangle. Okay? What is this? Simplification. What is this? Subtraction property of equality. What is this? Division property of equality. Okay? It's really important that you have all of that stuff down. And it looks pretty messy on this paper, but hopefully you made it look clean.